Hey, it's Sharon YourGuitarGuide helping you find your sound. And today I wanted to show you how to play Day Tripper. Coming up. The chords in the song are E7, A7, F sharp. Check that video out to learn how to play F chords. A, G sharp, E sharp, and B. Strumming pattern on this is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. So that's the strumming pattern, and it starts out with that riff. Does it 5 times, then it goes into the E7. Taking the easy way out. A7 got a good reason. Taking the easy way out. E7. And it was a F sharp. C sharp, D, then alright, the tab for this song is over at YourGuitarGuide.com under beginner guitar tabs, so print that out so you can follow along with this. Let me show you the riff on this. So let's zoom in and learn this intro riff. Well, I'd say it's an intro riff. Let's learn this riff that goes all the way through the song. Okay, so we start out with the open E string, the 6th string. Pick it 1 time. 3rd fret, 6th string. 4th fret, 6th string. 2nd fret, 5th string. And you want to use the proper fingers, because if you're like this, you're not going to be able to do the rest of it. So it's so on that, I just borrowed the 5th and 4th string, and I'm picking the 4th string. So it's open 5th string, or excuse me, it's an open 4th string, then 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, open 4th string, and then 2nd fret, 4th string. So it's That's the whole song in a nutshell. Get the tab, and if you like this video, can you give me a thumbs up? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you over at YourGuitarGuide.com. Thanks.